All right, so I've had a couple questions on the exhaust setup. Honestly, it is nothing special. Stock manifolds, literally just got the 2 resonators taken out and still has the stock mufflers in the back. It's funny because the GTO mufflers from the factory actually were designed to sound like the old cars. So they kind of have some aftermarket spec to them. That's the only reason why I kept them. And yeah, let me get a start up and some clips in here while we got some sort of an echo going on. Not bad. Costs about $200 to get that done.